are you doing? I have missed you so much. Really? Yes, I missed you. These are my lovely kids. You are all celebrated. I have missed you so much. Don't worry, we are seeing again. Thank God for this opportunity. Today we'll be looking at the subject I'll be taking you is literacy. And under literacy, we'll be looking at antonyms. What I call it? Antonyms. But before we go into that, let's quickly take a little song to ginger ourselves, okay? Let's sing this rhyme. There was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, Bingo. Good. I'm sure we are now ready for today's lesson. The topic once again is antonyms. Let's spell our word antonym. A-N-T-O-N-Y-M-S. Antonyms. What are antonyms? Good. Antonyms are opposites in meanings. Antonyms, they are opposites in meaning. When we say antonyms, we mean opposites. When we say opposites, we also mean antonym. And we have some examples here today. Examples are, look at the word we have there. We have some words and the antonyms for them. Big. The antonym of big is small. When something is big, the car is big. We can also have a small car. The antonym for big is small. So we can also say the opposite of big is small. Front. The antonym for front is back. Front. The opposite is back. We have another word there, happy. When someone is happy, I'm sure we are all happy today. Good. The opposite, that is the antonym of happy, is sad. When someone is sad, the person is not happy. Good. We have another one, open. Open. You open something, you can open a door, the door to a house, or you can also close it. The antonym is close. The next one we have here is weak. When something is weak, maybe someone is not feeling fine, the person is weak. If the person is not okay, the person is strong, which is antonym. Don't forget that antonyms means opposite. Opposite of weak is strong. We have another one here, friend. We are all friends, isn't it? And if someone is not your friend, that means that person can also be your enemy. The opposite, that is the antonym of friend, is enemy. I'm sure we are all following. Good. Let's take a look at the class form we are having here. Let's study this class form. Write the antonyms of these words. Look at the words. The first one is long. Antonym of long is what? Good. Somebody said short. I like that. Short. The antonym of long is short. Also clean. The room here is clean. Are you someone to tell us the answer? Good. That person said dirty. When somewhere is clean or something is clean, the opposite, that is the antonym, is what? Dirty. Number 3, girl. Beautiful. You all know if a child is not a girl, the child will be a boy. That's it. I like you. You are all getting it. Number 4, stand. Stand. You can tell us the answer for stand, the antonym, that is the opposite for stand. Sit. Beautiful. Then the last one, man. My father is a man. Beautiful. Someone said woman. That is the antonym of that. Also, before we go, we have our composition. Don't forget that we always do composition. Last time we did composition on my best food, my mother, so many things. Today, on our composition, we will be looking at my father. What do I call it? My father. I'm sure we cannot spell father. Good. Father is just a 6-letter word. Let's go. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. Again. Of A-T-H-E-R. Father. Let's see something I have here under father. My father's name is Mr. Larry. That's my father's name. Somebody is saying his dad's name. They're good. My father's name is Mr. Lanre. He is tall and handsome. My dad is tall and handsome. Don't forget now, Anthony will say the opposite of tall can be what? Short, beautiful. He is tall and handsome. He is an engineer. That's the work my father does. He is an engineer. I have someone who will be saying my father is a teacher. Yes. Tell us something about your dad. That's my dad. Good. He lives in Akure. Yes. That's where my father lives. I'll tell you my dad's name, how he looks like. Yes. What he does, his occupation. He is an engineer. Where he lives where? In Akure. And there's something about my father. He likes to always help me with my own fun. That means anytime I come home in the evening, he likes to help me out to do some of my own fun. Beautiful. So I know taking you through this on composition on my father, you should be able to tell me next time about your father, to say something about your father. Good. You tell me your dad's name. You tell me physical thing you can say about him. Maybe he's short, fat. You tell me the work he does, where he lives, and some things he likes to do for you. I'm sure you can do that. Yes. Before we go today, I have home fun here for you. You've all done well in the class fun. This is the home fun for our literacy today. Open your textbook to page 93 on words and opposite, that is, words and antonyms. Antonyms means opposites in meaning. You have to do page 93 on this, and also in your Smart English, don't forget your Smart English textbook. The other home fun is compression passage on page 97, and the question is on page 98. You read the compression passage, it's an interesting story. Where it is, then you answer the questions on page 98 inside your notebook. Thank you. I'm sure you all got everything. Hope you enjoy my class today. Good. See you next time. Bye-bye.